Alright guys, look at my garage now. Look at this. So, oh my gosh, this is really insane. So basically, we got this side-by-side actually a couple days ago. And it's a Maverick. It's Can-Am. It's got 70 horse, you can go up to 70 miles an hour. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. And then we got these bikes. This one used to be mine. It's 84 stroke. This one used to be my brother's. It's 250, and so we're gonna sell these three right here. This orange one is 65 KTM, 2-stroke, and this one is mine. It's 85 2-stroke. It doesn't have the front tire right now, so yeah, it needs to get replaced, and so we're doing that. And this is my dad's right here. It's a 450 and Suzuki, and it's pretty nice. And this is my brother's. It's a 250 version of my dad's, and yeah, it's so crazy. So yeah, I just had to get a shot of this. Oh, and so my brother's, mine, and this one, the KTM, came with some parts too. You can see down there, and then you can just look at the shelves, and it's just stacked full of boots and helmets. And there are some helmets on the side by side, and there are some helmets on the shelves too. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. And we also got our riding outfits, and so I will show you that in a second. Okay, here. Let's just go straight to it. Is my riding outfit. Got fly racing blue outfit. It's pretty cool. Here, let me lay it out so you can see it. Pretty nice blue one. Oh, there's my cat. And here are my jeans. I got it's another fly racing. Got pretty good knee pads. Got thigh pads, and so yeah, I just had a video of this. It's so crazy. And actually, we're going to Oregon for a family reunion to ride, and it is going to be really fun. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all this. All right, I will see you guys next time.